Hi guys, we have a new toys today. We have two toys. We have this car toy and the other one, but this is not the same as one. This is the bat. This is the not same as one. So let's open it. I don't know how to open this. I think let's open this one first. I think right here or right here. I think right here. Yeah. Open, please. Oh, it's like this. Whoa, whoa. Look at this. Look at this car. This is so cool, guys. Right? Yeah. Let's put it right here. Now let's open the other one. I think open right here. This is so hard. Oh, let's open it. Open just like this. Come on. Okay. This is so hard. Why it can't? I need help, Aya. Aya, I need help then. I think it's like this. I don't know. I think I need help. There. Okay. And this is so hard. Look, there's a little thing right here. Look at this piece. We don't need that. And how to open it? Oh, this is so hard. I cannot do it. I already unboxing this one. This pretty cool.
What did you have, Zizi?
I have two cards.
This is an Indy car.
Yeah, and this one is. Oh no!
Una, can I have a scissors, please?
Okay. Look at this.
You want to take this off, right?
Yeah, open that.
And then what?
You see that?
Oh, so we can.
How to do it? I can't believe it. But it's like, I want to do this. This is my hand.
I cut it. Here you go.
Oh, look at this. Now I have two cars. I have two new cars.
Whoa.
Look at this. There's the red one and I think this is the white with the red, and this is the white with the yellow and the red, and also the black color. And this one,
I guess it's the same color for both.
yeah.
It has the same colors.
Woo!
This is the Indy car, and this one is a sport car.
A sport car?
Yes,
I even
sport
love
car.
this one because this is like a car.
Yes, I love that too. I love that one better.
What? You don't like this one?
I like it, but I like this one better.
Oh, okay.
You too,
So-
right?
Yeah. So, thanks for watching my channel. For you want to watching my other channel, click the red button and subscribe to our channel. Bye!